And that's curling. It's really a sport. No.
You know, there's a big difference between imaginary and real, but which one is better?
Do you think?
When people want to take pictures together, they usually get someone else to take it for them.
Gordon, you are wise. Alan, could you please ladle faster?
Yeah. I love to move to the music, love to tap out a beat with a really long and my big orange.
I'm like you, and I can be a member of the Good Birds Club.
Yay! Stop it, you
But what about the Good Birds Club?
Big Bird. You know what? Their club.
I'm a bird and I'm big. Yes, I'm one tall fellow.